Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest Android tips and tricks. Today, we're tackling how to view hidden apps on Android in 2025. With Android's evolving privacy features, apps can sometimes hide themselves for security reasons, or maybe you accidentally hid one yourself. This quick guide will help you uncover them in just a few simple steps, keeping your device organized and secure. Let's dive right in. First, make sure your Android device is updated to the latest version, think Android 15 or beyond, for the best experience. Start by unlocking your phone and opening the Settings app. It's usually that gear icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps or Apps and Notifications. This is where the magic happens. Next, look for an option like See All Apps or App List. In 2025, Android has improved this section with better filters, so tap on that to view a comprehensive list. Now, to find hidden apps, check for a Hidden Apps or Disabled Apps tab. It's often tucked under Advanced Settings. If you don't see it immediately, use the search bar at the top and type in the app name you suspect is hidden. Pro tip: if an app is hidden due to parental controls or work profiles, you might need to switch profiles or enter a PIN. Once you've located the hidden app, you can easily unhide it by tapping on it and selecting Enable or Unhide. Remember, always be cautious. Some hidden apps could be malware in disguise, so scan your device with a trusted antivirus app afterward. This method works on most Android phones from Samsung, Google Pixel, or even OnePlus. There you have it. Viewing and managing hidden apps on your Android in 2025 is straightforward and helps keep your digital life in check. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next video. See you soon.